beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady Joy? If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell so that you go to hear many ogbonge news where they come out for you. Thank you for coming around again and God bless you. My darling people, today matter where Agbada Ikonwe Shoko to join her. My darling people, I see one video where Precious do. Precious, una no Precious now. Precious where the art do moving. My darling people. So she can't post her for her Instagram say I can't see her, she can't post her hand. The hand, this thing dey blood. So when I see the hand say blood dey, so I can't dey people come dey ask and say wetin dey happen for comment. She no talk for the video. She no talk, she only just write up say thank God for her life. Oh, say na so she for take payment now. Say the beat wey they beat her not be small one. So the thing come shocktalize everybody. Say like, wetin dey happen? Wetin make them beat Precious like this? Then people come dey write comments, So she not go respond to anybody. Even people wey dey art movie together, many come dey ask am, wetin dey happen? Wetin be the problem? So they come dey ask am, people come dey ask am, she not really talk. So now somebody come write comment. So before then, my darling people, I can't dey wonder who will come beat Precious like this. Does it make say una wan see come see Meme Precious for our hand? Our young comedian, where they act moving, when everybody go dey happy, they love what she dey do. And now know say she don't engage, she go soon marry. You understand? So I can say, I beg you, more leave Precious for us. Precious na person wey we love well. Una wan come see Meme Precious for our hand. So now people come the right comment. Precious, tell us wetin be the problem? Who do you this thing? Before somebody come write comment say, nah, so he talk to somebody for Facebook. Now they see saga where they happen, where be say, you know, say, and they always they talk and say, this saga where people they do so. For saga, just normal camera that they do like this. If they can't see face to face, and I know say, Precious not the person where they do saga. So what it can happen? Like seriously, what it can happen? Where be say, this kind of thing can happen to Precious. So I can't wonder. So then somebody can write comment say she talks to somebody for Facebook. The person can't see her face to face. And the person can begin to fight Precious. So if you see her hand, my darling people, I go put her for turn them on and see her. The hand is tired. It like it shocktalize me. Who did this kind of thing to Precious? Because he talk to you for Facebook. Now you just beat her like this. Like seriously? Some people are really wicked. People are really wicked. It's not good. What you not do Precious is not good. I beg. No, I'm not go see me our comedian for us. So she go so do her marriage, because I can't wait even no ma your wa. Even no ma your wa. Because they can't talk to you. Then you just feel beat Precious like this, my darling people. Like seriously? I go put her on and see her. What did this person do to Precious now? Good thing, my darling. A good thing. It's not good. Like, the thing just shocktalized me. She showed the hand then. I just they worried for Precious. Who will do this kind of thing to Precious? I beg you, more leave Precious for us. We love Precious. We don't want anything to happen to her. So more leave Precious for us. I beg. Now God, now will take beg you now. Precious na person wey be say if they do comedian, if they make people laugh, in with a man, two of them fit together. They fit together. They fit together. Why they can't do Precious this kind of thing? My darling people. Some people are really wicked, like seriously. Some people are really wicked. It's not good. It's not good. I beg. Now, why those sister, we love her. We don't want anything to happen to her. If you talk to anybody for Facebook, if you see her face to face, I beg. Not be the one wanna go dey fight. Precious na star na celebrity already. So more wanna dey take am easy for some kind things wey be say our African people dey do these days. Me, I no just understand. You just beat person like that. Who does that? Just break your hand like that because of who say he talk to you. I don't feel they talk more. Say this saga what people they do for Facebook. So the day when they go see face to face, hey. The kind fight where they go fight, part 2 not go there. The kind fight where they go fight. Hey. See this one now. Small thing and that pressure tell the person now. You go wele am for road. Make sure say he beat am very, very well. So that next time, Precious go come control him mouth. He don't go come talk again. Precious say not do anything. Now God, now he save am. God, now he save am. What if person tell the women as just small thing? Now small thing like this. What if person tell the women and just small thing? Person wey fit wele person beat person like this. Una not the reason wetin me the reason. What about people wey dey do saga for this social media? They can't see face to face. What una think say go happen? The fight not go be here. Even police not go fit even hold them. Una not see that 2 single mothers wey fight. Wey be say they go wele that girl for wele the plan for the girl. The girl no know they naked and beat her. Thank God for Precious life. Mona join me. Thank God for her. Thank God for her life. Say she see dey her life to the talk this one now. Waiting for happen. Thank God for her life. Thank God. Say she not me. Waiting go for the talk now. Will they say Precious? Oh, hey, this that. Oh, thank God though. And thank God for social media. Where be say you go fit even post and people go see am. I just see the thing shocked me. It shocked me like seriously. My darling people, I beg. What would they use our HQ sometimes? So, what would they use our HQ, our account sometimes? You understand? Things they happen for this world. Some Bonga people, anything you want to think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. We will see. Thank God for Precious life. Say she dey alive to talk this one. Say the so the beating reach her. Thank God for her life. She even thought she dey go hospital go treat the hand. Thank God for her life. Oh, and so they for say Precious now 1 leg or 1 hand that I can't get, but God no agree. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Please share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you.